Hello everybody. We're going to take a look at combining like terms. This is a little more complicated than earlier problems, so we'll take a slightly closer look. Here we have 5x minus 3y minus 4x plus 3xy plus y. If this is a new topic for you, go ahead and consider checking out these videos at Khan Academy about combining like terms, and they get progressively more challenging. This video will be here under this video tab, and there will be a screenshot of my tablet at the end of the problem to show you what your worksheet should look like when you turn it in. There's more practice here, worksheets in combining like terms, and then the GED formulas are also available for you to use, although they may not be that useful for this particular problem. Anyway, let's take a look at this on my tablet and see how to proceed. All right, so 5x minus 3y minus 4x plus 3xy plus y. So first of all, we have to consider what a like term is, and most of you know now that that means it's a coefficients that share the same variable, or things that have the same units. So let's take a look at what we have here. Here we have a 5x, and so that can be combined with any other x's. So here we have an x, and then there are no other x's here. This is an xy, but that's a different term, so you have to be very literal. Think like a mathematician or a computer. X is not the same as xy, so we can't combine those. And what else have we got? We've got a y here and a y over here, so those can be combined. Have a coefficient, but we know it's 1 because there's just one y here, and we don't have to write the 1 when it's just 1. We just write the pronumeral. Like we have pronouns in grammar, this is a pronumeral. So we can add these two, the y's, together. And that leaves this xy is just odd man out. All by its lonesome, can't be combined with anything. All right, so when we go to combine them, this is all addition and subtraction. So we're going to, you can sign your numbers if you like. That's a positive 5, and the rest of them have signs, but we're going to look at these in terms of their signs. And let's look at the x's first. We have positive 5x, negative 4x. That's like saying 5x minus 4x. So we're going to get 1x, right? 5 minus 4 is 1. So we'll get 1x, or x. We can just write that as x. Okay. So hope that makes sense. Let's look at the y values. We have negative 3y and positive y. So negative 3 plus 1, how much is that? If you need a number line, you can do it that way, or you can do the different signs. Take the difference between the numbers. So the difference between 3 and 1 is 2. Let's put a 2 down here. And then the absolute value, the number with the larger absolute value, which in this case is 3, has a negative sign. So we're going to have a negative sign here, and don't forget your unit. That's y. So negative 2y. And then that's done. And then for this last one, it has no units in common. So we're just going to bring that value down, positive 3xy. And so now this would be our answer, x minus 2y plus 3xy. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, give me a call, send me an email, or message me from inside WAMAP, and we can Zoom together and figure out how to do this. All right, go ahead and try some of those problems on the practice sheet. We'll talk soon.